Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about a free online learning platform that was launched by Cisco. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press this subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Okay, now let's go back to Cisco ThingQbator. So now we are in the home page of Cisco ThingQbator. Cisco ThingQbator was actually launched by Cisco as a part of their CSR program, that is Corporate Social Responsibility. In this Cisco ThingQbator website, you can find a lot of free courses and free workshops. Now let's see what are the courses available in Cisco ThingQbator website. So in this page, you can find all the courses that is offered by Cisco ThingQbator. And you can see here, complete these courses and get certified by Cisco ThingQbator, nasscom Foundation and Li2 Technologies. So let's see what are the courses available in Cisco ThingQbator. How about physical computing, connected devices using NodeMCU, developing IoT applications, Raspberry Pi and Python, wireless technologies for IoT, that is Internet of Things, machine learning and image processing, PCB Architecture and Design, CAD and 3D printing, blockchain and IoT, and Android app development, Chatbot, smart assistant development, and Jetson Nano. There are a lot of courses in this website available for free, and you can also get a free certificate. Now let's see how to enroll in a course. For example, let me enroll in Android app development. You can see here Android app development. Just click on it. Just click on any course that you want to enroll in. And now you can see all the details of this course here, Android app development. Here is the course curriculum. Build your first Android application, home automation using Firebase, build an Android app using MIT App Inventor, Bluetooth controlled home automation. And in addition to that, we'll also be learning about Flutter in this course, Flutter installation and Dartpad, Flutter 101, Navigator. So we'll be learning about a lot of things in this course. So you can go to courses page and you will see all the courses available for free in ThingQbator. And you can just click on the course name here and view the details of the course. So before enrolling in the course, we have to create an account if you don't have one. So you can see here login, just click on it. You will see this. If you already have a ThingQbator account, just give your username and password and sign into your account. If you are coming here for the first time, you have to click on create an account. And you have to give all the details and then click on register. So let me log into my account and catch up later. Okay, now I have logged into my account. Let me go to courses page first. So now we are in the courses page. Let me show you how to enroll in a course. For example, let me enroll in machine learning and image processing. Just click on the course name. And you can see here start course. Just click on it. That's it. We have enrolled in the course. And after completing the course, you will get a certificate like this from Cisco ThingQbator and nasscom Foundation. In addition to the free certificate courses offered by Cisco ThingQbator, they are also offering free workshops. Just click on workshops here. And in this page, you can find all the workshops that are available for free in Cisco ThingQbator. And you can also get a free certificate for attending the workshops also. You can see here, complete the quiz during each webex workshop and get a badge. So after completing one workshop, you'll get a badge like this. And you have to collect at least 3 similar batches. And then you'll get a free certificate for attending the workshop. For example, if you are taking the workshops under computer vision and image processing, you have to complete at least 3 out of these 4, and then you'll get a certificate for attending the workshop computer vision and image processing. And if you scroll down, you can see all the other things: PCB design for IoT, basics of UI UX design, entrepreneurship for everyone. So all these things are already recorded. You just need to watch the recording and attend the quiz. Git version control, build an application server, blockchain, design thinking and product development lifecycle, lean startup, MVP to launch, design and build physical objects, user experience design. So these are all coming up. So you don't see the watch recording button here. So if you don't see the button, just know that it's coming up next. So all other remaining workshops are coming up next. So stay connected with Cisco ThingQbator. So this is the content for this video. Cisco ThingQbator is offering free online courses for which you can get a free certificate also after completing the course, of course. And we have seen what are the courses available in this page. And in addition to courses, there are also workshops. You can go to the workshops page and view all the workshops that are available for free. You have to complete at least 3 workshops in one particular topic, so you'll get a certificate for attending the workshop also. So I hope this video was informative to you. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also connect with me on social media. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.